Hi, my name is Gavin and I bring you simple videos on self-development because I believe self-development is the greatest investment. Today I want to focus on habits. Have you ever considered what are your habits? What is the importance of habits in your life? Well, to me, habits can be an important differentiator between a successful and an unsuccessful individual. A habit can be defined as an acquired behavior pattern followed regularly until it becomes almost involuntary. Simply put, habits are deliberate choices that we made at some point of time and then stopped thinking about them but continued doing them often, almost every day. You see, when you decide to wake up for that morning walk and you do it for a few days, that becomes a habit. Similarly, when you decide to eat that ice cream after dinner and you do it for a few days, that too becomes a habit. The important aspect to note here is that almost every habit that you have was at some point of time a conscious choice. Your brain forms neural pathways based on what you do regularly in your life. And these habits are formed by the brain irrespective of whether they are good or bad for your health. So think of your brain as a computer which follows instructions. You've got to decide what are the instructions that you're going to key in. I believe mindfulness is a great way to key in those instructions. You can use mindfulness to create a new habit or change an existing one. When you learn to be mindful, you learn to observe. You can observe triggers that lead to the urge for you to commit that act of habit. And when you begin by observing triggers, you now know that you have the choice to not react to that trigger. You can just observe and know that whatever urge you have will soon pass. Well, you may even use that trigger to create a new act of habit. Another aspect of habits is that our habits have some kind of rewards. So when you have that ice cream after dinner, probably it's the time that you use to bond with your family. Well, what I'd suggest is after dinner as a family, get together and have a conversation or have a chat. You surely don't need extra calories to connect with your own family. Today, I encourage you to form habits that can help you lead a happy and a healthy life. Ask yourself, what kind of individual would you like to be 10 years from now? And what habits that you inculcate now will help you be that individual in 10 years. I, for one, am forming a habit of posting videos on social media each week. If you like what I'm doing, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel so you too can make it a habit to tune in and share my journey of self-development. See you soon.